International Car Show. And this car show is my favorite car show of the whole entire year. So the Iron Gate Motor Condos is, honestly, it's awesome. So what this place is, people buy pretty much houses, they build houses for their exotic cars. Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Porsches, and it's really beautiful. And today is an international car show where it's not just going to be exotics. Yes, there's going to be beautiful exotics there, but there's also going to be a lot of imports and all kinds of cars. I went to this car show last year and it was honestly amazing. The most beautiful cars I've seen all in one area, and I'm excited to share this with all of you today. So we're heading there right now, me and my girlfriend Steph. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we're pulling up right now. There's a Supra right here. Beautiful Supra. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the Iron Gate Motor Condos International Car Show, and there is beautiful cars everywhere. And these garages right here have exotics in them and all kinds of cars. And there's cars parked all outside, and we'll take a walk around right now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get going. I just parked my BRZ. I'm in the car show at the Iron Gate Motor Condos. Beautiful STI next to me. The BRZ is definitely looking awesome right now. See beautiful cars everywhere, and we'll check all these out, but all the exotics are in these garages right here. Beautiful Viper. A beautiful RS7 right now. We'll take a look at the first garage, see what's in here. Alright guys, we're checking out this garage, and this one is beautiful. Check this out. Beautiful McLaren in here. And an older Jaguar too, really nice. This garage has a lot of cars in it. Corvette, there's a Porsche back there. And this Dodge Viper is beautiful, look at that. RT10, beautiful. You don't see many of these. And it's in perfect condition, look at that. Wow, now check this one out. This Porsche is definitely one of my grail cars. Check this out. Beautiful. I love this red, it's pristine. Oh, it has Recaro seats in there. Beautiful interior. Next to the McLaren, we have an Audi R8 in a beautiful dark gray or charcoal color. These V10 Audi R8s are definitely awesome. So I love the full carbon fiber all the way down on here, and it has the gated manual transmission. Check that out. This is beautiful. The gated manuals are the best. Then we have this Mustang. It's on drag radials, has a parachute in the back. I guarantee this car is fast. There's a lift in here too. Fully gutted out on the inside. Nice Corvo seats in there. Nice steering wheel. Alright, leaving this garage right now, and we'll head to this one, see what's in here. And there's a beautiful green Hellcat right here. Look at that beautiful blue ZL1 right here. And we'll see what's in this garage, and we'll check that one out too. Alright, let's check this one out here. The beautiful Jaguar F-Type. Love this green color too. Beautiful, check this out. These cars are beautiful, look at this. Alright guys, so far the show has been awesome. A lot of beautiful cars so far. And we're just starting out. We just saw a couple garages, and I'm not going to show you guys everything, but I'll show you guys all the things I think that are awesome. Alright, we'll check these garages out. Nice Challenger here. Check this out. Beautiful old BMW. These are rare too. Definitely awesome. garage out. There's a Carrera Porsche right here, a Ferrari. There's a lot of red Ferraris here, I noticed that. White Porsche over there. BMWs in the back. Another Porsche. There's a lot of Porsches in this garage. This is beautiful, wow. Wow, this garage is awesome. There's an upstairs to it, and they have all these beautiful cars down here. Honestly, this is definitely a dream. It's the third NSX we've seen here today, and this is definitely my favorite one by far. GTR, McLaren 600 LT, definitely awesome. I love this color of this too. And look at the front end of this McLaren. That is aggressive. Look how low that is to the ground. This thing is beautiful. Wow. All right, let's see what's in this garage right here. Harley and a beautiful Dodge Viper right here. Has a lot of carbon fiber on it too. This garage is awesome. Check this out. Beautiful green M3. This color is awesome. Beautiful green color, and this is actually a Porsche color too, which is really awesome. BMW engine, really not too much you can see there, but this front end is really aggressive. And honestly, I'm not a big BMW fan, but these M3s are really insane. And there's a lot of carbon fiber all around here. Not sure you can see that. Carbon fiber lip, all in the engine bay. There's carbon fiber all around here. Absolutely beautiful. And these wheels are awesome. And it has the gold brake calipers, which is really nice contrast with the green. This looks so nice. This garage now is definitely one of the most beautiful ones we have. A lot of awesome cars, and let's check it out. This garage is definitely the most beautiful garage here yet. Amazing cars in here. We have a Bentley right here. And we have a Rolls Royce right here. And behind us, we have a newer NSX, which is awesome. And we check back here. Ooh, we have another one, another NSX right here. This is honestly crazy. This garage is definitely the most crazy garage yet. All these cars are in here. And we're gonna head upstairs and see what's up here right now. Wow, look at this. Wow.
I would love to live here.
This is insane. So this is one person's garage in here. So we have all this area up here, and down there you have all of your exotics, your luxury cars all down here. Wow. This is insane. Beautiful area to chill. Look at this. This kitchen area. You have marble island right here, stainless steel appliances. So please leave a like on this video if you are enjoying this so far. And if you guys are in the Chicago area or you're visiting, this is the Iron Gate Motor Condos, and they are insane. And if you look here, this is intense. There's a bed back there, there's a shower, and right below you have all your beautiful cars. Check this out. This garage, Ferrari, Aston Martin, beautiful. It has a full barn here too. Beautiful GT2 RS with the YSAC package. Lamborghini, we got the Performante. Beautiful. So many beautiful cars here. This Porsche, and of course the BRZ. All right, Steph, what did you think of this show?
It was really fun.
Yeah, a lot of awesome cars, a lot of exotics. All right, guys, me and my girlfriend Steph are heading out right now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. It's always awesome coming to see all these beautiful cars here. There's always so many different cars here, from exotics, imports, classic cars, so many different cars, and these garages are beautiful. They build these from scratch. You can make them however you want it. Pretty much a house for your exotic cars. And every second Saturday of the month, you're able to see all this here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what your favorite car was out of all the cars you saw today. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.